Okay guys, we're gonna do a room tour here. Everybody's in here, so let's walk in. This place is actually really nice. Come in, you got a kitchen right there. Sorry, I'm a little bit zoomed in, but you also have a nice refrigerator, which has a nice freezer. There's the ice bin. Nice big refrigerator right there. There's a nice desk right there with your phone. Also has a dishwasher, a sink, and a stove. Tons of stuff up here. It's actually a little coffee pot. I'm not sure if there's any dishes or anything. There's actually dishes and cups, coffee cups. Tons of storage if you're going to be here for long, but guess what? We're only going to be here for a day. Silverware, stuff underneath. Oh, there's actually some dish soap. Got your lamp. Nice pull-out couch right here. A nice TV for like a TV stand. Another chair and your TV. Come over here. What's really cool is we are actually on the 11th floor. We're in room 1101. Pretty high up. Really can't see much except for some other buildings, which is fine. It's super cool. Then if you come through this door, you have a bed here, somebody's sleeping. Another bed, somebody's sleeping. Chair, TV. Nice ceiling fan, actually. You have a mirror. Sink. There's the toilet. And the shower also has stuff. Body wash, shampoo and conditioner. And then here you have your safe, some sheets, and some stuff.